how you can change your notification bars display in your iPhone. Now I'll teach you guys how to do that, but before that, if you're new to our channel, just head down below, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let us start. First, what you'll need to do is just open up your settings. Now after you open your settings, if you scroll down a bit, you will see the notifications option. Just go to notification, and right there you will see how you want your notification to be displayed as. Now normally mostly it's stack by default, but you can change it to count or you can change it to lists. Now I prefer list because it shows me all the notifications, or just stack. Other than that, you can just go down below and also set the notification of each and every one of your apps to your liking. And with that, I hope you guys now understand how you can change your display of your notification, of how your notification appears. And that is pretty much it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye.